Well, that's still melting. I got quite a bit to add yet. So far I've been doing this for just over an hour. I got the rest cut, so the next batch I'm throwing all this in, and then I'm going to let it sit for probably half hour to 45 minutes or so to get good melted. And here's my mold. Okay, melamine so it doesn't stick, hopefully. And I have this set up about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and it's about 14 inches long. On my pen, depends on which pen kits I buy, but majority of my pens I can get away with, I think it's 2 3/4 inch. So originally I was only going to make this a foot and cut them in 3, but I might have enough to cut this into 5 pieces. But then I quarter these because it's an inch, I only need 3/4 by 3/4, and then actually it's pretty close. It's 1 3/4 inch, I think, is actually what it is, so that I can cut it with a table saw or a bandsaw, whichever, and I'll have at least 1/4 by 1/4. Okay, and so in reality, if I can get 5 this way, I got 20 pieces, and you need 2 per pen. So there's 10 pens there, or 5 pens, 5 pencils, because I do pen and pencil match kits. And I actually have 5 black chrome kits, and I think the black chrome would look really good against this white. So I think that's the kits I'm going to make. So we'll see. So I'm gonna put some clamps around the outside to stop it from spreading, because when I put this on here, put that down, I'm going to tighten that as tight as I can tighten the clamps, because I want to get all the bubbles out and stuff. So that's why I made this. If you see in here, there's a bit of a gap, so some of it's going to squeeze out, but that's okay. And believe it or not, this plastic stays warm for quite a while. So it's soft and pliable, so I don't have to be in too much of a rush. But you know, I probably have a good 5 minutes of malleable time. So what I'm going to do is when I'm satisfied, I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to kind of try to twist it a little bit. I may throw it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how much twisting I do and folding. And then once I get that ready, I'm going to kind of try to roll it out into a bit of a tube that'll fit in here. And hopefully I didn't make too much. If I did, I guess I'll throw it off, the extras off to the side, and use it on another project. But I don't know. So far, I'll just pull this out for a second to show where it is. So there it is here. I turned it, so that big blob one is on the back for now, but you can see how it's clear. When it goes clear, I know it's melted, but there's a little bit of white in the middle, so I want to get it good and hot before I bury that. So I'm going to wait a bit, another 5 minutes before I bury it with the rest of the plastic. So